Is the GoPro Hero 8 waterproof? GoPro Hero 8 loses the need for a cage. The disappearance of the old bulky waterproof housing was genius, and although it reduced the water resistance depth from 30 meters to 10 meters, this was no real issue for the majority of users. Can GoPro Hero 7 go in salt water? The HD Hero Original, HD HERO2, and HERO3 cameras come in a protective waterproof case that is capable of withstanding depths of up to 197 feet 60 meters. If you are using the camera in salt water, it's always a good idea to safely remove the camera and wash the housing with fresh water. How deep can you dive with GoPro cameras? Is GoPro 7 waterproof without case? HERO 7 Black, Silver, White, Hero 2018, Hero 6 Black, Hero 5 Black, Hero Session, HERO 4 Session, Hero 5 Session, yes. So long as all camera doors are closed, these cameras are waterproof down to 10 meters 33 feet without a housing. Are GoPro cameras waterproof without a housing? Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification for more of these videos.